Accidents happen, but filing a claim with Geico doesn't have to be a headache, especially with their app. Let's get started. First, download and open the Geico mobile app on your phone. If you have not done so already, you can find it in your device's app store, then log into your account using your credentials, the ones you use to manage your Geico policy. Once logged in, the app home screen will load. On the home screen, look for a button that clearly says File a Claim, where sometimes it is labeled Report an Accident. Tap on that button to begin the claim process. The app then will ask you to specify the type of claim you wish to file. You will likely have options like auto claim or property claim. Select the correct type of claim based on the incident you are reporting. Now comes the part where you provide details about the accident. The app will guide you through a form. Here you will need to provide important information. This can include the date and time of the incident, its location, a brief description. Be sure to be clear and concise when describing the situation. A huge benefit of using the app is that it often allows you to upload photos or even videos of the damage. Take clear photos of the damage to your vehicle or property. Make sure the images are well lit. Follow the app's prompts for photo upload. After you've provided all the necessary details and uploaded any required photos, review all the information you have entered. The app will usually offer you a summary of what you are submitting. Once you are sure everything is accurate, tap the Submit button or a similar confirmation option. Congratulations, you filed your claim. The app will likely give you a confirmation screen with a claim number. Keep this number for future reference. You might also see an estimated time frame for when a claims adjuster will contact you. That's it. Using the Geico app is a super efficient way to report incidents and get your claim started.